chaîne, Parlons Français. Welcome to our channel, Let's Speak French. We are still counting. Today we are going to continue from 60. In French, 60 is soixante. 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 So, as we learned in the previous lesson, soixante is going to be our root number. Soixante. Then we continue from that. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. So let's go. Alright, so this will follow. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. Then we go to the next number, which is very technical. 69. We go to 70. 70. This is 70. Alright, so coming back here, I expect my viewers or my learners to continue this lane for me. Yeah, this is your assignment. I want you to continue and drop the numbers or what you've done in the comment box. So 70. In the normal counting process, from this you go to ons. So since this is 70, we are going to continue to 71. 71, which is 71. Then to follow 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. Alright, so you only have to revise counting from 10 to 19. The first trend, which is from 20 to 69, followed this trend of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But in the second trend, which we have the 70s, those that start from this, we have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 19 after 19, which is in English you say 19, you go to the next number. Right, so here I want you to also continue for me, or let me give you another clue. So from 11 we go to 12. 13. 14. Alright, so I expect you to continue. From 14, we have 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. There we go. Then our next number is 80. From 79 or 79, we go to 80. And 80 is 80. 80. 80. Is 80, and this 80 follows the old pattern, which is the pattern of 1, 2, 3. So we have 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. So this follows the old pattern. 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. Alright, so this is where we are going to end today's lesson. I expect you, my viewers, my students, to continue the 60 pattern for me, then the 70 pattern, then the 80 pattern. This follows the old 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so I expect to hear from you. Share the video, like the video, and I expect your comments. Alright, in French we say au revoir, on se verra. Bye bye. See you again. Thank you for watching. Bye.